This is Sifu Cuddle, and in this Kung Fu combination, we're going to be focusing on waist rotation and power. So this is a training combination. It's got a lot of repetition. We're moving forward, we're moving backwards, we're using diagonal or triangular footwork. So instead of staying on the same exact line for this one, we're going to be a little bit off to the side so we can really get more waist rotation into our strikes. Okay? Now, let's start with a big grab. I want you guys to really emphasize this so we develop waist rotation and connection into our grab. So what we'll do is we can even start from a feet together position, grab, step out, big uppercut. Now, same hand, grab, match the timing. By the time you finish the grab, foot comes in, big uppercut, grab, uppercut. Now, moving back, we're just gonna start with the back fist, hit one, downward, and then we'll follow up with a big overhand hooking punch or so Choy. Okay, so we have kwa, so, kwa, so, kwa, so. And then what we can do to move forward again is grab, step, punch, grab, step, punch, grab, step, punch, grab, step, punch, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? You could turn this into an endless drill, moving forward with the grab and step, punch, grab and step, punch, and then moving back, and then going forward again. This is a great way to develop waist rotation and using our hips as a part of our strike, as well as keeping light footwork. Even though it doesn't seem very fast, moving from a light stepping position out to the next will develop that agility that you need in your weight distribution and balance in stepping, okay? If you like this combination, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Patreon for more in-depth tutorials and applications. Till next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a forward.